So writing a system. To write a system of equations, most important things, couple of different things. You need to be able to define the variables, meaning figure out what two topics you're comparing. Define the totals. Now, your totals can be in different types of, you can have different types of totals. Your totals can either be some type of amount, meaning money, or if they are people, items, or objects. When you write that equation in standard form, the coefficient will always be 1. Coefficient. Okay. Write the equation in standard form, find the solution using elimination or matrix method, which we learned matrix method this year. So elimination method is a lot more hands-on work. So looking at number 1, it says a travel agent offers 2 package vacation plans. The first plan includes costs $360 and includes 3 days at a hotel and a rental car for 2 days. The second plan, $500, 4 days at a hotel, 3 days rental car. Find the cost per day for the room and the car. So anytime you write an equation in standard form, you need your two variables, x plus y equals something. X plus y equals something. So you know that your totals always go at the end of the equation. There are 2 totals that are given to us here. What are they? 360 and then 500. Now, both of these totals are an amount. They're dollar amount. When both of your totals are a dollar amount, it will tell you what numbers to put into your equation, okay? Now, our variables, what 2 things are we comparing? It says find the cost per day for the room and the car.
3.
So our variables, we're talking about room, C for a car. Always go straight to the question. The question will always tell you what your 2 variables are. So I'm going to fill in my variables R and C. Always fill your variables in the same order in both equations. That part is important, okay? Now, for 360, how many days for a room, for a hotel room?
2.
3 days.
3.
And then for how many for the car?
2.
So 2. And then for $500, how many days at a hotel? 4. And 3. And notice you now have all of the numbers that you need to put this into matrix. Okay?
Wow.
When you go through matrix, the very first variable will represent or the top number will represent the first variable. Bottom number represents the second one. You need to know which one represents which, just because on the STAR test, they may ask you for specifically for the hotel room or specifically for the rental car. So go ahead and put that through matrix. Practice that. We may only practice the first few of them just so we remember how to do the steps.
Oh.
Oops.
I messed up. Of course you did.
Do we need to go through the steps together, guys?
No, I just accidentally put it. I got it.
Okay.
Wait, hang on. How'd you get it that fast?
Practice.
No, I'm talking to her. Wait. I actually erred. Wait, 3? I put issues on the second one. 360. Wait, I think I'm doing it right. I went a little too fast.
You all right, Zach? You good? Okay. All right, so everybody got these answers? 80, 60?
Yes, ma'am.
So that means it costs $80 for the hotel room per day and $60 for the car per day.
Well, if you get better, you could be fast on
Aw.
Imagine doing it wrong the first time.
Some of these problems do get a little confusing, but Some of them are pretty simple. Number 2, an electronics store advertised 19-inch model for $349, 25-inch model for $469. For 1 month, they sold 44 of the 2 models for a total sales of $17,516. How many of each size television did they sell? To find your variables, go straight to the question. What are my 2 variables?
Size
Each
and sell.
Each size television. That means we should have 2 different sizes television. What are they?
19.
A 19-inch television and
25.
25-inch television, TV. Okay. Now, you don't always have to use like a random letter. You can just use X and Y. So we're going to use X and Y with this one because our variables are numbers. So we're just going to write X plus Y equals my total. X plus Y equals my total. Okay. The totals on this one are a little tricky. What are the 2 totals?
349, 469, and 17.
Ooh.
That's the 2 sales though.
Which one says totals? Total.
The sales.
Total sales. So you know for sure that is one of the totals.
And 469. Wait, I
Mm,
really don't know.
No, that's just how it says.
that is the 469 is the price of the television. 349 is the price of the television, but they sold a total of how many?
2.
Nope.
55,
44.
44.
They sold
Oh,
44 of the
yeah, I
2
got that
models. So 44 TVs. Okay.
Wait.
Now, this is an example where one of the totals is a quantity, an amount, dollar amount. The other one is an item. Okay. So going back to the notes, if it's an item, what is the coefficient going to be? 1. So where we have the 44 TVs, the coefficients are 1. Now, the total that has the price, you attach a price to X and Y. What is the price of a 19-inch? $349. What is the price of a 25-inch model?
46. 469.
$469. Okay. So now you can put it into matrix. Yeah. So X is my 19-inch, and then Y is my 25-inch.
Crap.
What the?
How? I thought you already did it.
Mine said error.
Practice. Check your edit screen.
Can you put second mode? What the? Alpha, comma.
Good suggestion,
this?
Braylee.
I did it.
Don't forget to do second mode. Did you forget second quit?
No, I did second click.
Okay. So
You
just
know, I
check the
pressed it
edit
once that
screen.
time.
Hmm.
I don't know what
I
happened.
accidentally did it.
You got it?
Twice.
Oh. If you hit it twice, it'll just pop up twice. So, how many 19-inch televisions? 26. And how many 25-inch? 18. All right. Number 3 is a different type of example. A girl has 30 dimes and nickels in her pocket and a total value of $250. How many nickels and dimes does she have? You go straight to the question to find your variables. What are my 2 variables? Nickels and dimes. So we're just going to use N for nickels. And thankfully, you guys do know what dimes and nickels are worth.
5 and 10.
Okay.
Yeah, I did have $100. And I'd be rich if they were the $100.
Piper says she only rolls with hundreds. You go, girl. Total. All right. What are my 2 totals?
I'm gonna put 250. That's on video.
$2.50.
I was just joking.
And
30.
30 coins, right? Dimes and nickels. So 30 coins. All right. So one of them is a price. You need to attach a price. Thankfully, and it doesn't tell you what price in the problem, but coins are worth an amount. So what amount can we attach to a nickel? 5 cents. But how do you write 5 cents in decimal form?
0.05.
And what about a dime?
0.10.
0.10, right? Now, 30 coins, that's an item, that is an object. So what coefficient? One.
Uno was his name, though.
Uno.
Yeah, that's one.
Here's bingo.
Bingo. I don't know what's using.
It is bingo. Is it not?
It is. It is.
I thought it was Uno.
You said Uno was his name-o?
So it looks like I've been singing the song wrong in my childhood. Oh no. It's okay. I was dog mixed up in the whole time.
Wait, your whole childhood you've been singing it wrong?
Yep.
Nice.
I should have.
Oh, did I?
Did I do it wrong?
Yeah.
My numbers are.
I got
flipped.
10. Yeah, that's
Wait, yeah, my numbers are
You did it
like
wrong.
opposite.
I did it wrong?
I guess.
Oh, I didn't put 250.
What?
Wait.
5,
Yeah.
1.
got her a bone.
Yeah, that's what it was.
And then
10, 20. Yeah.
There you
Oh yeah, that's what I got.
So 10 nickels, 20 dimes. All right, number 4.
Wait.
Sorry. I'm just going to go ahead and read while you guys are copying the rest of that. Tiger Dolls are hosting spring show. They are offering reserved and general admission seats. So far, they've sold 1,750 tickets. Reserve seat costs 10. General admission costs 6. Altogether, ticket sales have been 13,700. How many of each type of ticket was sold? What are my two variables?
go. Your tickets.
Each type of ticket. So that means we need two different types. What types do we have?
Reserved and general admission.
General and reserved. Yeah. So we can use R for reserved and G for general. All right, find your two totals. 1,750 tickets, which means that's a what? An object, item. So what's our coefficients there? 1 and 1. And then what's the other total?
13,700.
13,700, and that is a price. So you attach a price to the ticket. So how much is for reserved? $10. And for general? 6.
7,
Piper.
8, 9, 10.
Oops. 1.
I type as slow as Christmas.
Yep. You got a weird look on your face. Are you not getting these answers, Kip? Or did you forget the steps?
I noticed that.
We sure about that?
Yeah, I was opposite.
No, I noticed that. Okay.
All right. For the rest of these, we won't do the matrix part of it, okay?
Wait. So then how do we do it?
You just don't answer
Typically with these questions on the STAR test, all you have to do is write it, and that's your answer choice. It won't ask you for the solution, typically. Sometimes it does, which we know how to find the solution. Okay? All right. The school that Stefan goes to is selling tickets to a choral performance. On the first day, Of ticket sales, school sold 3 senior citizen tickets and then 1 child ticket for a total of 38. The school took in $52 on the second day. Find the price of each type of ticket. What's my 2 variables?
Each type of ticket and
All right.
the price.
What kind of tickets?
Senior and the child.
Senior, citizen, and child.
Senior, we're seniors.
I thought we weren't writing it.
I don't know.
Typically, I don't like to use the variable s because an s can be confused with the number 5. So, write.
Technically, if you write
Yeah, make your s very s-y. That's what Piper said. I'm just repeating what was said. Okay.
Wait.
What are the 2 totals?
I thought we weren't writing it down.
Buddy, we're not
We're not doing the matrix part.
38.
38 and 52. $38, $52. So both of them are dollar amount. That means in the problem they will tell you what numbers to put in as your coefficients. For $38, how many senior citizen?
3.
How many child?
1.
And then for $52, how many senior citizen?
3.
And how many child?
2.
Okay. Next one.
Kind of a scam.
Number 6, there are 8 blocks in a box. The height of each block is either 3 or 5. The height of the stack of 4 blocks is 28. It should say typo. It should say 8 blocks, not 4 blocks. Sorry. Okay. Which system of equations can be used to determine x, the number of 3-inch blocks, and y, the number of 5-inch? So with this one, in the question part, they tell you what to use for x and y. So x is 3-inch blocks, and y is your 5-inch block.
I just spelled blocks with an X.
Nice. X, y,
Like Bloxburg?
Probably.
x.
I don't know how you. How do you spell that CK? Do you? I don't know.
All right, what are the 2 totals that they give you?
28 and. Are you too much of a robot?
Yep.
Yeah, 28.
28 inches,
Ugh.
8 blocks. Okay. Now, the first total is inches. We actually have an inch amount that we can attach to these variables. How many inches to x? How many inches to y? All right, now blocks is an object, so 1 and 1. All right. The last part of this. This is something, what's up?
Whoa, I'm not
Whoa.
there yet.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay, I'm there yet.
Okay.
Okay, I'm there yet.
So the last part of this is something that you guys were introduced to when I wasn't here. Turnaround phrases. You were writing equations. You were, let me see.
Turn around and walk up.
No.
When?
Let me see if I can find it. Nope. 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 I don't have the thing for it. Anyway. When you were first learning how to write an equation, you were using turnaround phrases. The turnaround phrases are, the main ones are from and than. Now, there's another one. Added or subtracted. No, added to. To is a turnaround phrase. What I mean by a turnaround phrase. Say you have the phrase subtracted from. I'm just going to put a 3. 3 subtracted from a number. Okay. What you were doing whenever I wasn't here was you were translating these sentences to create an equation, right? So 3 was a 3. Subtracted means minus. From is a turnaround phrase. A number meant that you would use a variable. So what variable do you typically use? variable? X. So right now it looks like it should be written as 3 minus x, correct? But because of the phrase from, than, or to, you flip it around. So it's actually supposed to be written as x minus 3. Okay, so with the last few types of examples, that is something that you have to be careful with, or you have to watch out for, okay? Because we will be translating. And that will make it somewhat difficult. So, number 7. Go straight to the question part. What are our variables?
Cupcakes.
Cupcakes. So we have cupcakes and what?
Sold. Wait, no,
Cookies.
What?
So we have C and C. That means we can't use the same variable for both. So we'll just use X for what? Cupcakes?
And Y
For cookies.
Or we could use K for cookies and C for cupcakes. No.
I did that one year.
Yeah.
But anyway, all right. So X and Y total. X, Y total.
Oh wait, never mind. Just kidding.
With this type of problem, because you're gonna be dealing with turnaround phrases, there's only one total. What is the one total there?
52.
Total of 52.
Oh, my toe.
52 cupcakes and cookies. C and C. So those are items, objects. What is your coefficient? 1. The hard part of this one is that you're going to have to translate that second sentence to create your equation, okay? It says the number of cupcakes, not C, cupcakes was what? X. X sold was means equals, for the number 4, more means what? To add.
Do I do that? Yeah.
It's next door. Anyway, that is like loud and clear. Anyway, cupcakes sold means equals. 4 is a number 4. More is plus. Here you see the phrase then. So you're going to have to flip it. What's twice?
2.
Times 2. So 2 times the number of what?
4.
Cookies. So 2y. Okay? Now, whenever I first write this equation, I like to write it exactly the way it's written first. So right now, it's x is equal to 4 plus 2y.
X equals 4 plus.
That's exactly how it's written in the sentence. But because of the phrase then, we need to flip it to x equals 2y plus 4. Right now, because of the plus, it doesn't make a difference. But once you get to the minuses, it will make a difference, okay? Now, we need x and y on the same side. So what do I need to do to do that? Minus what? Minus the 2y. Minus 2y. Okay? Now, we still need x in the front, so I'm going to bring down my 1x first. Minus 2y equals what? 4. So there's your coefficients. 1, minus 2, and 4. They do need to turn that down.
Oh, I thought it was a phone ring.
Ready? Number 8. What is the total number of what? iPads and Kindles. So I'm just going to use a regular I for iPads. I mean a lowercase and a K for Kindles. Kindle is like an iPad just for books.
Oh, I don't like them. They hurt my eyes.
Me too.
I don't like reading.
But I didn't like reading, so yeah, same.
Kindles just hurt my eyes.
I'd rather watch movies.
All right.
We gotta flip it.
There is one total in the whole thing. What is it?
164.
164. So 164 total iPad items. So what's our coefficient? 1 and 1. The second equation is the one we have to translate. It says there are, R is equals 32. More means to add. Now, both variables are on the other side, on the right side of that plus sign. So whenever you see that, bless you, whenever you see that, think of the word than as the word then. Okay? Think of the word than as the word then. First, you're going to write iPads. So iPads goes here. Then you're going to write the Kindles. Kindles goes on that side. Because you know that you need a variable on either side. So right now it's I is equal to 32 plus K. Our turnaround phrase tells us that we need to flip it. So it's I is equal to K plus 32. Now we need to move the K back to the other side in order to have it in standard form. How do we do that?
You
Minus
make the K. Go to the other side.
So I minus K equals 32.
Correct.
Wait, I goes first.
So 1 minus
So
1.
1I minus 1K equals 32.
Okay.
Or you could just put a -1, that's fine. If you already wrote the plus sign down. Questions? These take a little bit of practice, but we're still going to do the same tomorrow. Number 9.
Yeah, I think we should do this tomorrow.
Yeah, these are the ones that take
These are
practice.
easy, man. What are you talking about?
Number 9. Which system of equations can be used to determine the what? Dimensions. So what two different types of dimensions?
Yards.
Not yards.
No.
Width and length.
Width and length.
I'm sorry. Where do you see that?
It's in the second sentence.
Oh, I see it. So W with
I'm going to use a capital L for length. All right. There's only one total here. What is it?
320. 1.
Not a 1.
What?
Trick question. Because this is what?
because it's
It's half.
Perimeter.
320 away.
How do you find the perimeter of something?
I'm a little behind.
Add all the sides. And how many lengths, how many widths do you have?
2.
2. So with a perimeter question, this is the only one where your coefficients will be 2 and 2 instead of 1 and 1.
Oh, darn it.
Yeah. Okay, now, here we go. Second sentence is the one we translate. The field's width is means equals. Half is 1/2 its length. So width is equal to 1/2 L. Doesn't have than, doesn't have then, anything like that, okay? To change it back to standard form, what do I do with the 1/2 L? Minus.
Wait. I'm a little behind.
W comes first. What's going to go on the right side of the equation because everything canceled out?
0.
0.
Our test is next week.
So 1 width,
Oh.
-1/2 length, and 0. Okay?
Dang it.